I don't know if you can see the mist coming off the water, but it's really, really cool. We're at Agate Beach. In Newport, Oregon. Elora, me, Tara, Jenna, right there, Amanda, Lene, and Piper, and Amanda and Jenna's mom, Mary Ray, who was with us a little earlier. She's up at the cabin right now.